In this video, we are going to see how we can turn on or turn off the reaction notifications on Facebook. So when people like, comment and share your post, you will receive a notification every single time. And if you want to get rid of this, you want to turn that on, customize that, or even turn that off. Here's how you can do it. So what you need to do is just click on the top right hand corner, click on the profile icon and click on settings and choose settings again. And on the left hand side, we will see this preferences section where you have notifications option. Click on that. And you can set the notifications you receive for every single option. That is, let's say for the comments or tags or reminders, you want to turn that off, or you want to just disable the push notifications and so on. You can do that. And similarly for tags and reminders, you can allow or disallow the notifications. So in that case, you have to manually customize what notifications you want to receive. Either you want to receive it on the comments, receive it on the tags or not. I usually turn off the tags because this receives a lot of notifications. And basically that is how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.